finding clearance at Sam's, y'all. Every time I come here, they always have clothes marked down, and because it's leggings, why not? You know, these little t-shirts, why not? $6, any item under $10. If it's good quality, your girl gonna grab it up. So I love finding clearance at Sam's, y'all. So if you got a membership, make sure you look out for these clearance tags. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. Okay, yeah, I'm out of Sam's. I wasn't even planning on going in here and buying anything. I really came here for gas. And I end up just looking at the stuff to see what they had on clearance. And they had a lot of stuff. They had like these little Zen tank tops. I grabbed 2. And it's 2 in the pack. And these were like $6. So it's almost like spending $3 per shirt, which is not bad at all. But let me see, I was torn between large and medium. I feel like I probably should have stuck with the medium, but I did get large. So let's see, let me check it real quick since I am still here in a parking lot. Oh shit, I think I just tore it. Yeah, I think I just ripped it, but whatever. It's just a little $3 shirt. So yeah, it's look like this, like that, with the razor back. Really nice workout tee. Like I said, it is 2 in the pack. It looks a little short though, but I don't know, I most definitely will have to try it on. And then like I said, I did get it in medium as well. So they had these leggings on sale there as well. These are the soft ribbed leggings, which is this color. And I don't usually go for this color. This is like a green color, and it just have like the little soft ribbed design on the leg part as well as the top part and on the pocket. I love leggings with pockets, I'm just saying, y'all. But for $4, you can't beat it. And I did grab 2 in this little gray color as well as the green. I wanted to get the pink ones, but they didn't have my size, so I just passed on that. So yeah, that was everything I got from Sam's little sale, that little clearance sale. So I'm telling y'all, if you have a Sam's cart, always check for the clearance tags. You cannot go wrong. We all like to save money. Your girl most definitely like to save money. So I think I'm finna head over here to Bath and Body Works real quick, because I'm looking for that white oak plus yuzu candle. I don't know if it came out yet, but I want to see if this store have it, because y'all do know the candles is $10 off today, or this whole weekend, I believe. So I just kind of want to go and see. I'm not really finna do no big old walkthrough. I don't plan on it, but I'm finna go up here and I'm gonna check and see if they have it, because all the other ones was released, but that's the only one that I'm waiting on. So let's head over to Bath and Body Works. It's demo time. I decided to try this Buttercup and Berry Bellini collection because I have not tried it yet. I tried to get it on one of these sales, but it was completely sold out, so I decided to just pass. But I did try it out, and for me, it was just okay. You most definitely get that berry note. These are not scents that I truly love at all. So I kind of feel like this is a pass, but
maybe if it's on semi-annual for like 75%, I might grab it, which I'm kind of on the pass side, but you never ever know. You never know what you're gonna do when it comes to semi-annual, because y'all know we be grabbing up everything. So I'm just trying out this new product just to see what it is and what it do. So we gonna see. The lotion is just the normal lotion, y'all. It wasn't anything special. It did exactly what it always do and what all the other lotions do. So it's nothing special. It's just all about the scent, and again, it's just okay for me. It's nothing that I'm like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. I don't have to have this. This is a very, very easy pass for me. So yeah, as you see in the clip, it's like, I don't know. So yeah, that is Buttercup and Bic Multipurpose. Mother's Day is coming very soon. It's basically around the corner. So if you're looking to grab one of these gift boxes, they are in stores. So there's a number of boxes that you could pick from, and they actually look really, really nice. But for me, because I have everything, this is a pass. And like I said, I really don't buy a lot of the body care. So if you're looking for it, they have a lot of nice gift boxes.
Okay, yeah, I did not buy anything. That sucks. They didn't have anything new. Like I said, I was going to try to find that white oak and yuzu candle, but they did not have it. So it was a pass, but she did tell me another store have it. So what I might do is I might go to that other store tomorrow. I really wish I could go now, but I might go to the other store tomorrow to try to grab that candle. Maybe I should go inside of Lush. It always smells so good in Lush. Oh my God, make you want to buy everything. Love this store. But let's go in here real quick.
Every time I go into Lush, it just puts a really nice smile on my face. All of the workers in here are so nice. I love the way this store smells, and I just love how they create different soaps, different things, different body care. I love this store. It's just that it's just so expensive, but you know, I think I'm gonna start back shopping at Lush. I'm gonna try a few more of their products coming soon.
Okay, y'all, I did a little shopping, not a whole lot of shopping, but I did grab some items out of Lush. Love Lush. But I haven't tried a lot of products from Lush because they're a little bit on the expensive side, just saying. But they do make really nice products. So I used to buy that Honey I Shrunk the Kids or Honey I Washed the Kids soap years ago, but I stopped buying it. So when we get to the car, I will show y'all what I got. Okay, as I told y'all, I didn't buy anything out of Bath and Body Works, but I did buy a shower jelly from Lush because I really want to try this. And this is called Congo. He said it was more fruity. It's pink. It's pink. It's like a fruity scent. Raspberry juice and vanilla. I guess that's what's added in there. I don't know. I didn't even open it to smell it, but I did show y'all that. And he gave me some samples to try. Charity Pot body lotion, Sleepy body lotion. I could barely read that handwriting. Wow. Something on the skin, something bare, I don't know. It's some kind of cleansing stuff, face and body cleansing, but I cannot read that. I can't read it. So that's what it is. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's what this one is. And then the last one. So yes, those were all the samples. I only spent like, might as well say $10. Because the shower, this was like 9 something. So yeah. So that's gonna be it, y'all. I'm gonna go to Bath and Body Works tomorrow to see if the other store have that white oak candle. Feel like I should go now, but I'm gonna wait until tomorrow because I gotta go back to work. So it's warm. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees. Right now it's 73. So yes, I need to wash my hair. Y'all should see what these braids look like under this wig. A mess. Yes, and my face is so oily. I'm using a different moisturizer for my face, and oh my god, I'm so oily. But I need to buy some more. So it's time for me to head to the crib. Leave me some comments. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video. Let me know, are you gonna shop on this Bath and Body Works sale, this $10 off 3-wick candles, or are you gonna just wait for another good sale? Or do you just have everything and you on a no buy, you're not gonna buy anything? I know Sneeko is on the no buy. I think Cynthia is on a low buy. So it's a lot of people that's kind of pulling back a little bit. 1, price hike. 2, we just have everything. And 3, you just it's time to start saving for a semi-annual sale. It's time to slow down on some of the sales and start writing your wish list for semi-annual. Yeah, I know it's a couple of months away. I get that, but you have to have a plan. It's just like Candle Day. Candle Day, we all have a plan. We all know what we're going to buy. We all know what we're going to spend. We need to start treating semi-annual the same exact way. I forgot I got this gum in my mouth. I'm sorry, y'all. You know, we're going to have a lot of 75%. We're going to have a lot of 50%. And you know, if you want to really, really shop the way you want to shop, you need to start saving now. You do not want to put yourself in a hole trying to spend a lot of money that you didn't plan on spending. So the best way to do it for semi-annual is start saving now. Even if it is $100 a month. You know, you got to think, it's in what, June, end of June? So you got what, May? Yeah, you got 2 months. So, you know, just if your budget is if you say you're gonna spend $500, you need to figure out how much I need to save every week or every 2 weeks or whatever your plans is, or whatever you do. You have to figure that out. But you do not want to put yourself in a hole. I'm just saying, y'all, we all love Bath and Body Works. We all love candles. I know some people love the body care. I don't usually buy a lot of body care until semi-annual, which I'm going to kind of cut back on that. I'm only going to buy things that I truly, truly love when it comes to the body care stuff. As far as candles, I'm only buying the new candles and the repackage of candles that I truly love if I need that candle. If I know I have 3 of the candles that they just made a repackage of, I'm good. I don't need to buy it. So we all need to think of some kind of plan. Have a plan in mind. Have a plan in motion. Okay, yes, we got about 8 weeks until semi-annual sale. So that's 8 weeks of saving. You need to figure out what you're gonna do. So yeah, you know, whatever you need to do, because you don't want to go in a hole. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, and hit that bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you can be notified when your girl posts a video. So yes, y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.